Welcome to today's review of Vanguard Digital Advisor, a popular robo-advisor service. Vanguard, the company that revolutionized low-cost index investing, now offers a digital service with some of the lowest fees in the market. Especially if you're a young or new investor, Vanguard Digital Advisor could be a smart choice for building up your investment portfolio while paying minimal fees. Let's dive into how this service works and why it could be a good fit for you. If you're new to investing, robo-advisors are a great way to get started without needing deep financial knowledge. Vanguard Digital Advisor helps you invest your savings in a diverse portfolio designed to meet your financial goals. You won't have to spend hours researching or managing your investments, as the robo-advisor does it for you. The reason people turn to robo-advisors like Vanguard is simple. Life is busy. Even if you have a basic understanding of investing, managing your portfolio can be time-consuming. Vanguard Digital Advisor offers a low-cost solution that takes care of your investments while allowing you to focus on other things. For younger investors, especially those just starting out, choosing a platform with low fees should be a top priority. Vanguard Digital Advisor is a fantastic option, with fees lower than most competitors. However, if you're someone who likes speaking to a human advisor about your financial situation, this platform may not be for you. Getting started with Vanguard Digital Advisor is straightforward. The platform begins by asking you to fill out a questionnaire. This is important because it helps the system understand your financial situation. This initial step helps the robo-advisor get a full picture of where you stand. One unique feature of Vanguard Digital Advisor is its risk tolerance assessment. Instead of just asking abstract questions about how comfortable you are with investment gains or losses, it gives you actual scenarios. Once this setup process is complete, Vanguard Digital Advisor gives you a detailed look at your retirement goals. It shows you charts and projections for how much you'll need to save and whether you're on track to reach those goals. Also, there is a minimum balance of $100 to get started. The key to Vanguard's success is its simple yet effective investment strategy. Vanguard Digital Advisor automatically invests your money in a set of low-cost Vanguard exchange-traded funds. These funds include broad categories like stocks and bonds, and how much of each you own depends on your risk tolerance and goals. Vanguard's approach is all about keeping things simple. Unlike other robo-advisors that may use a dozen or more funds, Vanguard sticks to just a few low-cost options. Plus, the robo-advisor keeps an eye on your portfolio and rebalances it automatically to make sure you don't end up with too much of any one type of asset. Vanguard Digital Advisor is known for its ultra-low fees, which is one of the main reasons it stands out. The service charges an annual gross advisory fee of 0.20%. But because the expense ratios of the ETFs are included in this fee, your actual cost usually drops to around 0.15%. To put this into perspective, if you had $3,000 invested with Vanguard Digital Advisor, you'd pay around $6 in fees per year. This is much lower than what you'd pay with other robo-advisors like Acorns, which could charge $36 a year for the same amount invested. Vanguard Digital Advisor is a fantastic option for anyone looking to start investing with low fees and minimal hassle. Its straightforward approach, low costs, and retirement-focused tools make it ideal for young investors who are just starting out. However, if you're looking for a platform with more advanced features or the ability to speak with human advisors, you might need to explore other options. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.